Hello, all dear students. We welcome you all on BYJU'S Exam Prep Civil Mechanical YouTube channel, guys. Okay, so as you can see, the session is Ask Us Anything. So, guys, just before the exam, 2 weeks before the exam, you have various doubts, curiosity. Some of you are very nervous also. Okay, a little bit of nervous is very obvious, but some of you are very nervous. So, any doubt regarding the technical things, regarding the strategy, regarding the do's and don'ts in the last 2 weeks, you can ask us here, guys. And let me again remind you before we go forward that from tomorrow, the 28 mark series is going to start. Okay. From tomorrow, every day at 10 a.m. Like tomorrow, it will be of किसका है मैम कल आपका
धीरज सर का
tomorrow will be Dheeraj sir differential equation in one shot. Okay. And then after that, it will be Richa ma'am's session at 10 a.m. Then Dheeraj sir, it will be alternate. Okay. And guys, from tomorrow, civil versus mechanical war is also there, guys. And one more surprise to all of you that we'll reveal in just 10 to 15 minutes. Now, guys, marathons are over. Okay. For civil and mechanical, I guess almost all subjects marathon we have done. So the love you have given us, the support you have given us, guys, in the marathon, the huge response, we are all overwhelming for that. And the added responsibilities that you have given in our shoulders, will try to fulfill it in the coming months, days, and years as well. Now, let me go directly to the Richa ma'am. And Richa ma'am, anything you want to share with the students in the last few days and the last few weeks? And then we are coming with a surprise also.
Good evening, everyone. Yes, guys. So, obviously, the clock is going rapidly because we have a paper on 4th of February. Sir, mechanical का कब है sir? फिर आप धीरज sir बोलेंगे कि mechanical
एक दिन पहले मैम.
Third. Okay, so guys, we have 3rd and 4th February paper. So I know, of course, like time is less and you guys are panicked, like what to do, what not to do. Guys, right now, how much syllabus you have completed, you just should be stuck on that rather than going on new things, first of all. And secondly, as much as possible, try to give more and more number of mock tests. It will be better if you, because your admit card has been released, so give the paper on the admit card, whatever time slot is being allotted to you, whether it is a forenoon session or whether it is an afternoon session. Kindly give paper during that time your mock test. And apart from giving mock test of 3 hours, first of all, you need to inculcate that habit of sitting for 3 hours. And after that, giving that paper for 3 hours, it is also equally important to analyze that paper. Because giving that paper, it's not only thing you have to do. Analysis is equally important. So guys, in this coming days which are being left, along with revision, mock test is the one thing which is very important for you. Dheeraj sir, if you want to add something, sir.
मैम आपने सब बोल दिया जो मैंने सोच रखा था.
Telepathy, sir, telepathy.
Okay. So guys, you can ask us any doubt on the comment section. Okay. Any doubt you want to ask. And let me again tell you guys, from tomorrow, every day 10 a.m. guys, maths and aptitude series will be there on YouTube, this channel only. Complete maths, complete aptitude will be done there. And from tomorrow 4:30 p.m. the complete SOM, civil versus mechanical war, that will be on app. Okay. So YouTube, guys, for civil and mechanical, both students, guys, YouTube 10 a.m. and app at 4:30 p.m. And guys, let me tell you, we have some more surprise for you. We are done with the marathons. Now, what next? Apart from math and aptitude in YouTube, that also will be telling you. But guys, you can ask us doubt here. Come on. Sir, please provide the cutoff and marks need for PWD students. Okay. Okay. अच्छा, कल मैंने जो दिखाया था वो SC, ST जनरल और EWS का दिखाया. Okay. You hit. I'll share that in my Telegram group. Dheeraj sir, one question for you. How to study production, planning, control, CIM? What is CIM, sir? Inventory and control subjects.
So dear, it is the part of like production, computer integrated manufacturing, and inventory is for, I feel, industrial engineering subject. So if you are talking about this, first of all, I would like to tell you, in computer integrated manufacturing, you need to focus only on 3 topics. One is geometrical transformation, second is basic length unit, and third is G&M course. You can see 99% questions are coming from that, and 1% chances are they can ask you about the servo motors specification and questions. So if you cover these 4 topics, question will be from these only. And as far as inventory control is concerned, we need to go for all the 6 models, because if you see the history, first model, which is EOQ model, is more important, no doubt. and after that setting inventory model. These two are more important, but they have asked on all the models some year. So we cannot say that कि आप ये वाला model छोड़ दो, आपको सभी model करने ही पड़ेंगे. And rest, when we are talking about production, I will suggest you in these 10 days, I will not recommend you to go for more theory, because you have seen gate peoples majorly are asking numericals. Okay. So that is why you should concentrate more over the formulas. And if you're going to concentrate on that, you would be able to get 80 to 90% marks out of whatever they are asking, because 10-15% theory questions are there on which even if you concentrate more, there is no guarantee you will be able to make, because that depends ki whether you would be able to remember that till that time or not. So that is why focus on numerical part majorly for the production especially.
Okay. मैम आप एक कुछ कह दीजिए, मैं मैसेज लिख रहा हूँ मैं कमेंट में बच्चों के लिए कुछ.
So one more thing I would like to say, some student is asking ki as the ISC is conducting. Kevin,
Yes.
I would like to say whoever conduct the exam, it is just a conducting body. It is not the exam making body. Okay. For making of exam, there is a team made from different professors of different IITs. So there is no difference in that. And GATE is always having, like from last 20-25 years, whatever paper you see, they are always having the numerical approach. So if you see out of 100 paper, 100 marks, you will find more than 80 marks completely numerical part. Only 10-15% you will find from the theory part. So that is how when we are talking about mechanical and civil.
Sir, one more question for you. My marks is not increasing more than 55. What to do mechanical?
Sai Sen, you need to check what kind of mistakes you are making. Actually, there are generally two types of mistake. One is calculation, other is conceptual. If you are doing the calculation mistake, you need to master the calculator for that. And if you're going for conceptual mistake, search your weak areas and find out where you are lagging. If you have not studied that concept, go for it. If you have studied the concept, you are unable to apply the formula properly, then go for the practice more and more. So based on the need of R, you have to take your decision for that. Okay. You need to identify first. Like ma'am was saying, ki only giving the test is not enough. Analyzing is more important. Because why you are stuck in 55? Why you are losing 45 marks? Making mistake, no problem. Repeating mistake is the big problem. So you need to avoid repeating the mistake.
Correct. And so they're asking that how much duration will be maths and aptitude sessions. So minimum 2 hours it will be there. I'm right, sir?
Yes, yes. And that will be
1.5 to 2
depending on
hours.
topic. If some topic is smaller, maybe 2 hours only. If bigger, then maybe it go for more also.
Yes. And you guys, you have to participate, and like you guys are consistently telling that we are not getting more marks in maths and aptitude. So you don't need to worry for that. You have to be with us from 22nd of January to 1st of February, and we'll make you practice a number of questions. We'll provide you with the short tricks. We'll provide you with the concepts so that it will be very, very beneficial for you when you'll be appearing for your final gate examination. Now, upper limit of marks to expect in mock test. Avinash sir.
Okay, मैम अब मैं पूरा फ्री हो गया हूँ. मैं एक एक करके all doubts I'll kill all the doubts. Okay. Upper limit of marks to
Sir,
expect in
हम घर
mock.
चले जाए.
हम
नहीं
लोग जा
नहीं
रहे हैं फिर.
upper limit of marks to expect in mock test means I'm not getting your doubt, but you are saying that what marks you should.
मैक्सिमम लिमिट कितनी होनी चाहिए मॉक टेस्ट में? मतलब मैं कितना मार्क्स लाऊं? 100 ले?
नहीं मतलब यार ऐसा किसी केस में नहीं होगा ना that you can attempt all 65 questions in mock test, you can get 100 marks and you are only solving 63 questions or 60 questions for getting 90 marks. So I'm not getting your question यार. कैसे aptitude में 15 marks कैसे लाओगे आप? Upper limit of marks to expect मतलब समझा नहीं मैं आप क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं.
सर आई फील वो ये पूछना चाह रहे हैं कि इस समय पे कितने मार्क्स आने
कितना
चाहिए.
लाऊं? हाँ, मतलब
आना चाहिए
कितने
मतलब.
मार्क्स मेरे लिए अच्छे हैं, ये बोलना चाह
Try
रहे
to
हैं.
get more than 60 marks, 60 65 marks. Of course आपके लिए कितने मार्क्स अच्छे हैं डिपेंड करता है ना आपकी तैयारी कितनी है. किसी बच्चे ने 50 मार्क्स का पढ़ा है तो उसके लिए 45 प्लस अच्छा है. किसी ने 80 पढ़ा है उसके लिए 75 पर अच्छा है. और guys, let me tell you guys, all civil engineers ना, all civil engineers there. Let me tell you guys, what should be the cutoff for MTech in 2024? What should be the cutoff for PSU in 2024? What should be the cutoff of NIT in 2024? What should be the cutoff of old IITs? That session I have taken yesterday. For cutoff for general, cutoff for EWS, cutoff for OBC, cutoff for SC, cutoff for ST, for MTech, PSU, IIT, NIT, I have taken yesterday. Please, if you have not seen that, you can see that session. Okay, and ask any doubt in my Telegram group also. Now let me tell you guys about the surprise very quickly. Okay, marathons are done, guys. What next? So let me tell you guys. So one thing is, I already told you that from tomorrow 10 a.m. will be maths and aptitude, है ना? Tomorrow 10 a.m. maths and aptitude will be there. And before that, let me tell you guys that today is the scholarship test, but time is over for that. On 24th of Jan at 7:30 p.m. there's a workshop by Dheeraj sir, how to secure single digit rank in GATE 2025. Okay, 24th Jan on app at 7:30 p.m. Now coming to the surprise, guys. Before that, let me tell you from tomorrow there are three things. You have to take your alarm clock for that. First, on app, the complete Zoom will be done by me and Dheeraj sir, Civil versus Mechanical War. This is on app at 4:30 p.m. This is on app at 4:30 p.m. and top 3 students will be getting a 2100 rupees cumulative cash prize. Okay, top 3 students on 31st of session. We will be giving that cash prize, but leave the cash prize, guys. What is important that every chapter you can see on the screen. Ma'am, screen नहीं दिख रहा है क्या?
सर विजिबल मुझे तो दिख रहा है, मैं एक मिनट स्क्रीन इसमें
अच्छा
देख
दिख रहा है, ठीक है
दिख रहा है।
ठीक है, मेरा YouTube थोड़ा पीछे था। तो गाइस सी यू कैन सी एवरी चैप्टर इज देयर। सिंपल स्ट्रेस एंड स्ट्रेन धीरज सर आपका खराब करेंगे, सॉरी सिंपल स्ट्रेस एंड स्ट्रेन धीरज सर आपका पढ़ाएंगे, उसके बाद मैं एसएमडी पीएमडी में मचा दूंगा, फिर बेंडिंग एंड सीट से धीरज सर आपका थोड़ा सा उसको करेंगे ठीक ठाक, फिर डिफ्लेक्शन एंड बीम में मचा दूंगा। सो गाइस एवरी चैप्टर विल बी डन एट 4:30 p.m. on app, guys. Okay, and with the help of cumulative score, the winner will be decided for 2100 rupees. Now, guys, maths and aptitude on YouTube channel, guys. From tomorrow, 10 a.m. daily. Okay, so do you have to? One alarm is for 4:30 p.m. on app. One alarm is for 10 a.m. on YouTube. Guys, differential equation one day. Then after a gap of one day, calculus. Then matrices. Okay, matrices में सर से मैंने पूछा भी था, सर आपने स्पेलिंग गलत कर दिया, ये तो matrices is the thing that we keep in bed. So सर ने कहा this is the plural of matrix. मैंने कहा it's okay. Then numerical method. Then complex method. Similarly, Richa ma'am will be coming from 23rd. Quantitative aptitude at 10 a.m. Then analytical aptitude. I don't know what is analytical, what is spatial, but ठीक है, बोलने में अच्छा लग रहा है. Spatial aptitude. Then verbal, I guess it will be English. Okay, so this will be daily 10 a.m. guys. Okay, तो 28 marks में से ना, अगर आपने अच्छे से उसको पढ़ा तो ऑफ कोर्स आपके मार्क्स जितना भी आप डिजर्व अभी कर रहे होंगे ना, whatever you are expecting now, whatever you are deserving now, of course that boost will be there in your marks. And guys, one is civil SOM at 4:30 p.m. One is maths and aptitude at 10 a.m. on YouTube. Okay, SOM is on app 4:30 p.m. This is on YouTube at 10 a.m. And guys, marathon is done. Now it's time for the formula revision. Okay, tomorrow will be strength of material formula revision. Me and Dheeraj sir will be taking that. Okay, then for civil it will be highway, environment, soil mechanics, surveying, RCC. Of course, guys, these are not the full subjects. Sir, where is PERT CPM? Sir, where is building material? Sir, where is hydrology? Guys, we have taken only those sessions where there are so much formulas that you are feeling it difficult to learn, like environment, soil, survey. In hydrology or in PERT CPM, there are not much formulas. उसके सेशन लेने का जरूरत नहीं है. आप बोलेंगे तो हम आपको PDF प्रोवाइड कर देंगे. Okay, so we have only taken those subjects where formulas are required, जहाँ पे बच्चे मिस करते हैं. Similarly, guys, for mechanical, it will be SOM, MD, Thermo, HMT, FM. Okay, when it will be FM, guys, of course, the same time it will be helping in the civil as well. Production, industrial mechanics, tone and vibration. सर ये जो चार्ट आपने बनवाया है मैकेनिकल का, इसको देख के लग रहा है कि मैकेनिकल वाले बच्चे ज्यादा फॉर्मूला भूलते हैं, सिविल वाले नहीं भूल रहे हैं, मैकेनिकल ज्यादा भूल रहे हैं. ओके,
लिख भी रहे हैं कि फॉर्मूला
कमेंट
भूल
में
रहे
भी
हैं
ऐसा ही कुछ है सर कमेंट में भी ऐसा ही कुछ आप देख सकते हैं.
ओके, सो गाइस, okay, so 4:30 p.m. on app, civil versus mechanical war, 4:30 p.m. 10 a.m. daily YouTube, maths and aptitude, and this is the formal revision, guys. Let me tell you, you have given us the wonderful response in marathon, and that has made our whole team charged up कि यार एग्जाम तक और बच्चों के लिए कुछ करना है, फॉर्मूला रिवीजन लेके आना है. और धीरज सर, रीचा मैम तो मेरे से लड़ भी रहे थे कि नहीं सर फॉर्मूला रिवीजन नहीं, प्रैक्टिस भी करेंगे. तो ठीक है, उसके बाद प्रैक्टिस भी ऑफ कोर्स हम अपने अपने सब्जेक्ट्स के लेके आएंगे. धीरज सर इज प्लानिंग टू टेक आई गेस 500 to 600 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ मैकेनिकल अलोन. ही विल बी टेकिंग ऑफ ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स एंड ऑफ कोर्स रीचा मैम आल्सो. सो वो सब करके लेके आएंगे आपके लिए. ठीक है, आप कोई डाउट ले लेते हैं. लास्ट ईयर नो क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम PERT and CPM. sp@tye@edit.z. Let me tell you, we are preparing for 2024, not for the last year. If PERT CPM is the syllabus, of course the weightage will not be 5 marks, 7 marks, 8 marks, but एक आधा क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, 1 or 2 marks क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. And let me tell you, if from zero level, if someone is teaching you PERT CPM from zero level in 2 hours or 3 hours, you can do medium and easy level क्वेश्चन. Might be hard नहीं कर पाओ, पर medium और easy आप 2 hours में कर सकते हो. ठीक है, तो हमेशा याद रखना, हम प्रीवियस ईयर के लिए नहीं पढ़ते हैं, हम अपकमिंग ईयर के लिए पढ़ रहे हैं। प्रीवियस ईयर से एक्सपेक्टेशन ले सकते हैं, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि एग्जैक्टली वैसा ही आएगा। हाँ, ये मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ, पार्टिसिपेंट विल नॉट बी कमिंग ऑफ 7 मार्क्स, विल नॉट बी कमिंग ऑफ 10 मार्क्स, बट अ कपल ऑफ क्वेश्चन कैन बी आस्क्ड। ओके, ओवर टू यू सर या मैम, आप किसी क्वेश्चन का डाउट लेना चाहें तो।
Sir, I feel there is a student Satish who is writing that I am lacking confidence, I am forgetting the formulas, I am in the fourth revision and all. So I would like to tell you, dear, ki as the revisions will be going on, the forgetting would automatically reducing. Okay, but and whenever we are talking about PYQ, some students are asking, it is not like how many times you are going for PYQs. If you're going once, twice, it's fine. The point is you need not to mug up the questions. You need to understand whatever the question where you are finding difficulty in the first time. Second time, you need to go only for those questions, because whatever you have done in the first attempt, you need not to repeat them, because obviously you are good in that. Okay, so take that. And one more thing I would like to say, ki more you revise, less you will forget. But at the same time, try to apply those formula to some questions. Because if you will just try to mug up the formula, it would be like overeating, and then obviously ulti honi hai, vomit honi hai. So if you would be going with the questions, then it is going to be good for you, and then that vomit kind of thing will not happen.
And
Sir,
you'll
कुछ
know
add
also
करना
how to
चाहेंगे?
apply that formula at what condition, at which place.
अरे फिर तो मैराथन ही हो जाएगा यार.
Sir, ma'am, Satish is saying I am in the 4th revision and done my marathon sessions also. So Satish, आप मतलब यहाँ पे अपना बात बता रहे हो कि बाकियों को कॉन्फिडेंस कम करने आए हो, पता नहीं. And again Satish is writing that I am lacking confidence. So even after the 4th revision you are lacking confidence. That means your revision is not, मतलब तुम रिवाइज कर रहे हो मन को पूरा करने के लिए, या कॉन्सेप्ट तुमने पढ़ लिए बस मन को तसल्ली करने के लिए कि यार मेरा कॉन्सेप्ट हो गया, एक्चुअल में तुमका डेप्थ तुमको नहीं आया है. ठीक है, तो अगर डेप्थ आ जाता है ना, तो 1 or 2 revisions will be fine. And someone is asking, sir, how many times PYQ? This, guys, I don't know that why a engineering student or a technical student will be doing PYQ 4 times or 5 times. ओके गाइस, ये बीए मतलब हम जीके थोड़ी नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं कि कितनी बार रिवाइज करेंगे नोट्स. मेरे ख्याल से अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, the PYQ number of times PYQ student should be doing only 1.5 times. First time the complete PYQ, and second time only those things in which he or she has stuck in the first attempt. Only 1.5 times. 2 times 3 times क्या, ये मतलब सेमेस्टर एग्जाम थोड़ी नहीं कि लास्ट 3 इयर्स पढ़ के जो टीचर ने क्वेश्चन पेपर बनाया था, यूनिवर्सिटी से क्वेश्चन आया था, वैसे ही आ जाएगा इस बार. ठीक है, तो ओनली 1.5 टाइम्स. धीरज सर, when you are taking metal cutting and metal forming Maha marathon.
सर इस बात का क्या जवाब दूं मैं? लेंगे भाई,
ये
वो भी
मतलब
लेंगे.
पिछली बार का सेशन में तो बच्चा देख सकता है.
हाँ, you can watch the last year marathon also, or in the formula revision I told you, na, कि we will be going for these two topics when we have in the, because these two topics have formulas only, only from formula only questions are coming. So when the production is written, there we will be revising those 2 chapters along with the all formulas also. Okay, because in casting welding much formulas are not there. Formulas are there in metal cutting, metal forming. So these 2 topics only we have left in the marathons, है ना? And we will be revising in the formula revision. There we will give more time to these 2 topics. So don't worry about that. And I will also tell you there with those formula that how and with what type of questions are coming. Okay. So we will give more time there. Okay.
Sir, Kalakal has asked a good doubt. And I guess this doubt will be among many students. Sir, can we get into PSUs like IUCL, DRDO by using gate XZ without gate mechanical or maybe civil? Let me tell you guys, many times we have told that second branch, your second paper is only applicable for taking admission in MTech program. Even in that also, if that thing is available, that XZ or whatever you have taken, the second paper is applicable in that MTech program. That is not applicable for PSU. Even if you're getting rank 1 in XZ, okay, rank 1 in whatever your secondary paper is, you are not eligible for PSU. PSU is only taking that rank or that gate score in which you have done BTech. So if you are done BTech in civil, or if you are done BTech in mechanical, only civil rank or mechanical rank will be judged for PSU. The secondary paper is only for MTech. Over to you, ma'am.
Yes, sir. And sir, some people were asking that how they should be like giving them a guideline that how should they attempt that 65 questions in the examinations. I'll just share mine, and sir, both the sir can add on that. Technically, if I am the one who's giving the paper, first I'll go to the technical session rather than going to the aptitude session. Reason is aptitude, that's damn sure that you'll be getting, apart from the questions which you have done, which you have practiced, you'll be getting some new questions for sure. Okay, so as much as possible, technical is something which you have already studied. You can apply it. So first, I prefer to go for the technical sessions, how much I have attempted, or the questions which I need to revise to do the calculations again. We'll go back to that, complete it, and then I'll switch to the aptitude session. I won't waste initial lot of time in aptitude. Rather than first I will go to the technical sessions, complete that, and then I'll go to the aptitude session. So at the end, I'll make sure that I'll reserve 30 minutes in a broader sense for the aptitude, although it will not require 30 minutes. It will hardly require 15 to 20 minutes max to max. So that the 10 minutes I can go back to the technical session again. But then also I'll make a target that maximum 2.5 hours I'll go for the technical, complete all the things. And the last 30 minutes I'll go to the aptitude. So this is the strategy which you should follow. And you can use it in the mock test also and just check it out that how you're performing, how is your performance improving in your mock test. So
Yes, 55 60 marks. Na? Last year in 2023, Pandaji, with 55 and 60 marks, you're getting a score of 650. Okay. For 650, that is fine. For last year, okay. 650 means, let me tell you in simple way, na, if your rank is 1200, 1300 or lesser, then you are eligible for old IITs. Okay. I'm talking of general rank. For OBC, SC, ST, I would tell yesterday's session, you can check that. Okay, the cutoff for IT and IT, PSU, everything. Okay, let me take some more out. Can we apply for an MNC company if we just qualify the GATE 2024 for civil engineer? Yes. Guys, MNC company has nothing to do. Even if you have not given the GATE exam, then also you can apply for MNC company off campus.
for that, you have to clear the entrance exams of aptitude or technical. Like if you go for L&T, you have to first clear the aptitude one, and then the technical, and then the interview. So this is the chronology which has to be followed. So they don't have to do anything with your GATE marks and all those things.
Okay. Dheeraj sir, a doubt for you by Sahu. I am also from mechanical. I wanted to ask sir if I'm able to solve almost all PYQs and practice questions from YT and some part of test. I'm not able to solve, then can I expect 80 plus in GATE 2024? मतलब वो PYQ पूरा solve कर दे रहा है, but he is not able to solve all the questions from the mock test. He will be able to get 80 plus in GATE.
Dear, the point is key how much you are getting in. Like, first of all, you need to understand that exam is after 10-15 days. So there is a scope of improvement. If you are getting 65 plus marks in the test, then you are going on the safer side. And I'm telling you, some of you also asking about the safe score for PSU. So in mechanical, it have been observed that the number of seats for PSUs are always more. So even 75 plus is all the way safer. Even when paper was coming easier, like before 2022, 75 plus was safer at that time also. But from last 2 years, whenever the paper was now difficult only from last 2 years, then we have seen even 70 plus is on the safer side. So whenever you see the paper, based on that, it will be decided. Like you cannot say that if you are able to go for PYQ 80 plus, you can get or not. That depends. Okay, that how the paper is there, how you are going to attempt that paper, and how you are going with the calculations, how you are choosing the MSQ type of questions. So based on that, it will be depending. But yes, if you are getting 60 plus marks in the test series, you are on the right path. That is for sure. Okay. So don't make like that kind of target ki itne plus, utne plus. I will say that depends on the exam. So in the exam also, when you see by looking at the exam, by looking at the question, you will be able to decide whether to attempt that question or not, whether the paper is what level. So all these things will be better. But yes, if you are getting 60 plus in test series, you are on the right track. That is important.
Ma'am, many students I have seen 2-3 doubts where the students are asking about the important points of aptitude.
Okay, yes,
Important
sir.
topic.
I've seen. I was just waiting for Dheeraj sir to complete it, then I'll add it. Okay, guys. First of all, if you talk about aptitude, if you check the past year's paper, we have been seeing that verbal aptitude they have been asking a lot of times regarding that paragraph questions and fill in the blanks types of questions. So verbal aptitude is important. Now I can't tell you that active and passive, direct and indirect, and do all those things. Simple basic formulas you need to remember. or basic, you can say sentences, rules which you need to remember, so you'll be able to solve it. Apart from that, questions from spatial aptitude, 1 to 2 questions from that, and questions from quantitative aptitude regarding mixtures, allegations, profit loss, time distance. So these are the important topics from which questions have been consistently being asked, and we are hoping that in upcoming gate also these are the areas from which questions will be asked.
Okay. So moving forward, guys, you can ask
Sir,
it
I'm
out.
quite sure to get at least 20 marks from engineering, maths, and aptitude, but my civil subject can provide me only 25 plus marks. Should I be concerned for this? Of course, you have to be concerned for this, because in total it will make only 45 marks. So, of course, you need to buck it up. These 10 days are there. You have to work like anything, study whatever the subjects you haven't studied. Whatever the subjects you haven't studied means you need to revise those subjects which you have studied, rather than picking up new subjects, and figure it out, like Dheeraj said, whether it is a conceptual mistakes, calculation mistakes, silly mistakes which you guys are doing it. And right now also you have 10 days time, so the only thing I can tell you is that work more harder, because 25 marks in technical subject, that's very less, guys.
And
Okay.
guys, one more thing I would like to say, like some student is asking about important topic for math. If you remember, I have taken a session on how to get 13 out of 13. There I have told all the important topics. And now why you are asking, because now from tomorrow we are going to cover the mathematics and aptitude. You attend there and you will see we will be covering all the types of questions which are coming more number of times in the exam.
Okay, mind the thing, if your target is 2025, na, then why to guess? Okay, instead give your real attempt and whatever you are scoring, so that from that you can see that at what line you are right now and how much improvement is required. ओके, तुक्का लगाने से आपके ज्यादा माइनस हो गए, ज्यादा प्लस हो गए, तो फिर अपने आप को सही से एनालाइज नहीं कर पाओगे कितना आपको जाना है. सर, अपार्ट फ्रॉम टेस्ट, व्हाट शुड बी द प्लान फॉर रेस्ट ऑफ द डेज? ऑलरेडी रिवीजन इज कंप्लीटेड. मेरे ख्याल से रिवीजन कंप्लीट हो चुका है और टेस्ट
3
आप दे
hours
रहे हैं.
test sir, 3 hours analysis, 6 hours तो ऐसे ही चले गए.
फॉर्मूला आप कर सकते हैं, अगर आप फॉर्मूला भूल रहे हैं ज्यादा तो फॉर्मूला कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज उसके अलावा टेस्ट के अलावा और उसके एनालिसिस के अलावा और कुछ ऐसा जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, so guys, any other doubt you can ask us on the comment section. Let me again tell you, from tomorrow 10 a.m. it will be maths and aptitude daily 10 a.m. on YouTube. At 4:30 p.m. it will be SOM on app, and of course from tomorrow the formula revision will also be on YouTube. Let me show you the schedule once again if you want to take a screenshot. Otherwise, we will be sharing that on the Telegram group as well. Okay, so this is the schedule for our formula revisions from tomorrow. Okay, that will be shit. That will be 22nd Jan, strength of materials for civil, then highway, environment, soil mechanics, surveying, and RCC. And for mechanical, it will be SOM, MD, thermo, HMT, FM production, industrial, and TOM. Only those subjects we have taken where students are having a huge number of formulas and they are forgetting. Okay, so this will be on YouTube for civil and mechanical both. And this is civil versus mechanical war at 4:30 p.m. on app, where the top 3 students will be getting a cash prize of 2100 rupees as well. Okay, so this will be on app 4:30 p.m. complete SOM. And this is the maths and aptitude daily 10 a.m. from tomorrow. This will be on YouTube. Okay, one day math, one day aptitude. It will be like this. No, if you have not studied RCC till now,
No
please
need.
don't go for it. Okay, so guys, this schedule will be putting in Telegram group as well. From there you can see this. Okay, and for any other doubt or might be some doubts we have not taken because comment box is moving a little faster. Okay, not as faster as it moves in marathon, but it's okay. So you can ask us on the comment section. We'll be replying there. Okay, thank you. Thank you guys.
Thank
Take
you,
care. Thank
everyone.
you.